we are back. And from last episode, we're now doing Cartoon Cat versus Little Robot Hand. Who will win? Put your answers in the comments before watching this. So the white team against the green team. Okay? By the way. Cartoon Cat will be coming soon. So let's just look. Ooh, this robot hand. So the robot hand won their last round. So will it win this round against the Cartoon Cat? Let's see. Oh no, I see the Cartoon Cat. Oh no. I see the Cartoon Cat. So the battle is almost done. Let's go. Yeah. So you control that robot hand while we just look at it. The Cartoon Cat looks white instead of black. But I don't care. Cartoon Cat involve the villager. Yes, we can. Yeah. We had Christmas. Why are you here again? I just wanted to. Kidding me. Okay. Gotta take the initiative, guys. But Peaches is gone. Okay. Oh, he can grab too. Whoa, he just got blinged. Whoa. So high. Whoa, what the heck? He just yeeted me. But then he died. Rip. Siren. Oh look, it's Siren Head from the last episode. Wait, is that a cross? Is that the Iron German cross that I see over there on the other side of the lake? No, not that one. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Go, robot hand. You can do it, robot hand. Poor Siren Head. You just got placed over there. It's like, no, you don't need them. You don't need them. No. Poor Siren Head. Rip Siren Head. Okay, I'm gonna play the confidence games soon. Okay, if you guys were wondering. Soon. Can I join your team? Maybe not the white team. Please, not the white team. Please. Cross? Why can't let me see cross? I wish there were no more hashtags. If this ain't bad words, then they can be replaced with those little straw things. Yeah. Please remove hashtags. Please. And please let there be no Max friends. We can have like a lot of friends. Well, Jai has that. I see cat. Meow. Evil cat. He's a cartoon. Cartoon cat. cat white team. Oh no, I see it. It's ready for battle. Play the Soviet anthem, please. You guys hear it? Okay, I'm gonna stop. I got the Nazi one. The German Empire. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm just stop. That was a bad idea. Anyway, cartoon cat ready? Is it? Or is not? Dun dun dun. Should we see or not? No. No. I did. So the water kills you. New knowledge. Summon it. Green is for grass. Ooh. Wait, hold up. Guy. What is happening? I can't do anything. You know what to do with my life. When is the cartoon cat coming? When is it coming? Oh, look at my beautiful boat. My beautiful boat. My beautiful boat. It's building. Ha 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 ha. A toy. Let me tell you something about my rubber ducky. Rubber ducky, 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 ducky. I like my rubber ducky, 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 ducky. I want my ducky. Oh, the blood and balloons. Alert, cartoon cat on the loose. No. Battle. Is it coming? No, it's not. Oh no, it's been SETI. Oh no. It's a real battle now. Cartoon cat versus robot hand. Mechanical hand. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. Look. It's the cartoon cat. Hey, where's the jet? This so cool. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Oh no, the cartoon cat is on the loose. Everybody should stay in their homes and have the FBI with them. Attention, y'all should stay in. Sorry, it's my best reality that you know what I'm talking about. Ooh, you better die. White cartoon cat. And Pumpkin Boy! Yes! Go Pumpkin! Now this is a real battle. Go Pumpkin Boy! Go! Yeah, go! Wait, Pumpkin Boy. What are you doing, Pumpkin Boy? You can do this, Pumpkin Boy. Pumpkin, no, Pumpkin Boy. Come on, Pumpkin Boy. Pumpkin Boy. Pumpkin Boy. Pumpkin Boy. Pumpkin Boy. You can do this, Pumpkin Boy. You can do this. Chop him with your axe. Chop him. Come on, come on. You can do this, Pumpkin Boy. Come on, Pumpkin Boy. He's taller than you, but I don't care. Come on, Pumpkin Boy. You can do this, Pumpkin Boy. You can do this. Come on, Pumpkin Boy. We're all counting on you. Don't die. If you die, then no. I thought he was dead. Yay! Ooh, go pumpkin. Oh God, whoopee. Let me get the Mac out my way. Anyway, die, cartoon cat, die! Get him! Put an axe on him. Wait, but dead. Where's Pumpkin Boy? Did he die? No. Oh no, oh look, Pumpkin Boy's still alive, I think. Yes, go Pumpkin Boy! We believe in you, Pumpkin Boy. Go Pumpkin Boy. Go Pumpkin Boy. Go Pumpkin Boy. Come on. Yes, Pumpkin Boy. Yeet that boy. Come on. Yeet him. Yeet him. Go. Go. Come on. Please. Come on, please. Come on. I don't want to kill myself with a gun. They have guns in this game. Come on, Pumpkin Boy and Han versus this creepy cartoon cat. Come on, kill him already. Yes, come on. You can do this. Come on. You can do this, guys. Come on. You can do this. No, he's on fire. No. Come on, Pumpkin Boy. Come on. Oh, God, no. Where Hand? No, Hand died. Did Pumpkin die? I guess Cartoon Cat won. Cartoon Cat, I guess he won. Siren Head did not. Oh wait, but okay, the hand is back. Never mind. Can save stuff, so Cartoon Cat didn't win yet. Good guys, mostly win. Guys, come on, I'm gonna try to hit its butt with a pickaxe. Pumpkin Boy, give me your pickaxe so I can chop his butt. Gimme, please. Put stuff on him. Put stuff on him. Oh my God. Just put stuff on him. Boom, just put some stuff on him. Oh, what was that? Just put some stuff on it. Boom, like, put some stuff on it, you know? Yeah, put some stuff on it. When you don't know what to do, just put some stuff on it. Ha 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 ha. So funny. So funny! By the way, I'm playing music. Or someone's playing music. Wait, who's playing music? Anyway. Come on, Han. Go, Han. He died. Cartoon Cat dead. Yay, we won. Alright, we won. Put stuff on him. All you gotta do is try him. To be honest, it is cheating. So I'll make it fair. It's a tie. So, Robot Hand 2, Monster 1. There's gonna be another episode soon. So, later, guys, y'all. Until another battle.